Welcome to your first step into the world of aerial yoga, a unique blend of traditional yoga and aerial acrobatics that will stretch, strengthen, and elevate your body in more ways than one. Whether you're brand new to this or just curious about what it's like to flow in the air, this 20-minute beginner-friendly session is your safe, guided space. Let's defy gravity together. Aerial yoga uses a silk hammock securely suspended from the ceiling to support your body as you move through yoga poses. It allows you to perform postures that might be difficult on the mat, while also improving flexibility, relieving compression in your spine, and building functional strength. Plus, it's just plain fun. Start seated on your mat beneath the hammock. Let's center ourselves with 3 deep breaths. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Begin gentle shoulder rolls, side stretches, and a few rounds of cat-cow to loosen up the spine. Now let's get into our hammock. Hold on to the fabric, step into the center, and gently sit into the silk as if you're sitting on a swing. Make sure your hips are supported and the hammock is balanced. Safety tip, always engage your core and move slowly with control. 1. Aerial chair pose, strengthens thighs, opens hips. 2. Floating warrior 2, builds balance and confidence. 3. Aerial down dog, releases spinal tension. 4. Hammock plank hold, engages core and arms. 5. Inverted butterfly, safe and gentle inversion to boost circulation. 6. Aerial Savasana, cocoon pose, deep relaxation in the hammock. With every movement, let the fabric support you. Keep your breath steady. You'll start to notice tension melting away and a deep inner calm taking over. Lower yourself slowly back to the mat. Let's cool down with some gentle forward folds, hip openers, and neck rolls. Feel the connection between your breath, body, and the earth beneath you. If you'd like, return to your hammock and gently rock side to side in cocoon pose. Close your eyes and allow yourself a moment of stillness, supported and safe. Thank you for floating with me today. If this was your first time doing aerial yoga, congrats. Your body just did something incredible. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with how you feel after today's session. Until next time, stay light, stay strong, and keep reaching new heights.